So how can you view a locked note on the iPhone? Let's get started. If this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, you can check out the rest of the videos and subscribe so you do not miss the tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you, of course, inside of the built-in notes application, you can tap on the three dots in at the top right and lock the individual note, right? So that's how you can make sure that you lock it. But in order to unlock it, you need to, of course, just see that there is like a lock button at the top, and in order to get inside you'll be able to tap on the view note button, and it will give you some options. If you used your face ID to, of course, back up your notes, you'll be able to scan your face, and if not, you'll be able to type in your passcode like that. But the point is that you need to know the password, of course, because the first time you set it up, it will ask you which type of the passcode you actually want to use, right? Because you can set up a separate one, right? So specifically for the notes, or you can use your iPhone passcode, which is the one you use to unlock the iPhone. So you get to pick the option and how strict you want to be with it, so to speak, right? So that's how you can view it. Essentially, you just need to unlock it and authenticate yourself through the methods. But as I said, it's important to know what the password is and how exactly you locked it to begin with. But that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.